Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to do kind of like a pinky rose gold type of look. We'll see where it goes. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, but that's kind of the fun of it anyways. If you hear noises and sounds in the background, it's because that's what's going on. There's people in the background, so hopefully they're not too loud. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. You guys have seen me do the eyebrows quite a few times already. If you don't know how to do your eyebrows, then let me know in the comments below. And I have been thinking about just doing a video just about how I do my brows. So if that's something you want to see, then let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I post. So I think we should just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to zoom you guys into the eyes, and I think we're going to start there. I had different makeup on earlier, so we've got a little gold glitter in the corners. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys on in. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. I'm not using it for dark circles necessarily. I just like this because of how thick it is, and I think that my eyeshadow really clings onto it really well. So as soon as I find my brush, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so in the crease, I want to do like a super light pink shade. I don't want this to be like a super hard makeup look. I just want to use like 2 or 3 things on the eyes. Like I want to keep it super simple. So I have like 3 palettes in front of me, and I'm not sure which one I want to go into. You know what? I'm getting kind of a vibe from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Let's just go with it. Okay, so the color is called, is it Strawberry Bonbon? Of course, it's this pink shade here. And we'll see where it takes us. So I'm gonna put that in the crease. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it out as I go.
December 1st, I'm in a foreign state and running late, I'm all alone. Wishing I was home with you, baby. She's got a way of making things okay when she's not around. But when she's not around, I'm going crazy.
I do have these Stila, I don't know what these are called, like liquid, I was gonna say lipsticks, like eyeshadows. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Kitten because it's like this really light, pale pink color. And the nice things about this is that we don't have to like cut the crease. Like this is so thick and so creamy that it'll just go right on and cover everything underneath. So like I said, I don't want this look to be super intense or super hard to do. So I think we're gonna leave the crease like that for now and go in with the Stila eyeshadow and kind of see what it needs after that.
She's got a way of making things okay when she's not around. But when she's not around, I'm going crazy. We like to talk about the plans we make and things we say when we're together. I hope for better weather this year. But you, my dear, need to know this year I want you alone. Oh, 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 fully, this holiday will make us believe that we're exactly where we're supposed to be. And we're hoping that we all come back. And as a matter of fact, I know we're exactly where we're supposed to be.
Okay, so I've got both eyes done. That took me seriously like 5 minutes. So this is perfect just for like a last minute, like a super bright pink Christmas type of look. I have a white eyeliner from NYX, and I think I just want to do white eyeliner like in the waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on real quick. Okay, so that's just gonna open up the eyes. It looks a little crazy right now, but when we put on our mascara and things like that, it'll all kind of tie together. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back on out so we can get started on our foundation. Okay, so in my last video, I mixed the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation because one of them's too dark and one of them's too light, and I mixed them together and they're like the perfect combo. Like the coverage, the like finish is just really perfect. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do once again. So I just do like a pump of the Too Faced, like a half pump, and then like 1 or 2 of the NYX. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to the store to get more makeup for more videos. I have a few ideas for Christmas and for like New Year's, but I need a couple of other things first. So I'm excited to go makeup shopping, of course. Okay, so I'm just gonna do some concealing under the eyes really quickly. And this is just for some added brightness under the eyes. So, I'm going to set that with the Sonia Kashuk Brightening Powder. Okay, and I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna do some contouring. And I'm gonna use the Do the Hula by Benefit, and I just put a little tiny bit on my hand, like that much. Like, this stuff goes a long way. And I just dot it in the hollows of our cheeks and like our cheekbones, and slowly start to blend that out.
We go together like the winter in a sweater, and she makes me feel alive inside. And when I look into her eyes, I see the blue and green like Christmas lights, so what a sign. She says I've got a way of making everything okay. She's not alone, and never will be. Hopefully Christmas tree.
We kind of bronzed up and contoured a little bit, so I'm going to set that with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just going to kind of mix these two shades. I like putting bronzer and contour on my nose. That way, like, even if you don't really contour with it, if you just put like a little something there, that way it's just not all like super white and bright right here and just like brown and like bronzed everywhere else, you know what I mean? Like, you have a little something to kind of break up all the... I just whacked myself in the nose with this. Yeah, you have a little something to kind of break up all like the stark like brightness and everything like that. Just personal preference, but that's what I like. So I think we're gonna go back into the under eyes before I do like highlight. I think I want to take a little bit of the color Milk Chocolate. Let's just see what that looks like. I'm gonna put on the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster. This is in the color Glazed Donut. So I know that this stuff also goes a really long way. So I didn't even like get anything in the dropper. Like this is just, they pulled it straight out of its little container. And I'm just gonna dab it on. And I live for a nose highlight, okay? So that's what we're doing. Step aside, Rudolph, because we are here. Next, to set that, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Gleam Glow Kit. Why was that so hard for me to say? I'm going to take the pink shade, which is the color Starburst, and I'm actually going to spray my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to take the color, and I'm going to go over that highlight. And this is going to make it really pink. See? We are glowing, beach, okay? Like, dang. I have the NYX blush here in the color Hamptons, and this stuff is pigmented. So, which is perfect because I kind of want you to tell that we have like pink eyes, pink highlighter, pink blush, pink lips. Is that everything? So starting on the apples of the cheeks and just taking it back in between the highlighter and the bronzer. And then I'm going to put a little bit on our nose because, like, we're cold. It's cold outside. We can have a pink nose. Yeah, I'm actually here for it. So I'm going to take the beauty sponge just to pat everything together. This is going to blend everything, kind of melt everything together.
Baby, I want you alone. I know I'm exactly where I need to be.
I actually really like this look. I love the pink nose. Like, I'm actually living for the pink nose. Like, where I'm cold, give me your jacket. Love me. Okay, anyway. The highlight I'm actually here for. Like Santa, I will lead your sleigh for a price. But yeah, the lips are nice and glossy. This lipstick won't stop getting on my teeth. What do you guys think? So I've done a blue Christmas look now. I've done a pink one now. I think I need to go to the store tomorrow and get like some pink glitter. That'll be so fun. Like pink and red glitters, because I have a gold one, but I need other colors. Like, I'm dying to use glitters because it's the holidays, it's New Year's, it's Christmas. We all are here for the glitter, so stay tuned for that video. But other than that, let me know in the comments what other looks you guys are excited to see. But yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.